Today's demo is going to be on management. Pool Pro Office is your total office management solution that allows you to access your office anytime, anywhere, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in one application to truly manage your office versus your office managing you. In the home page for management, we have all the user tabs. Management has the ability to view all user tabs, and management also has the ability to see everything in the program, including all the reporting capabilities. Each user access is monitored by their user needs. Management, construction manager, sales manager, and data entry can view everything in the program. Designer, engineering, construction, site super, and service warranty sees what's important to them, and bookkeeping and accounting sees what's important to them. I'll go ahead and get started in the management area. When you click management, you'll go to a user page, which will have a lot of tabs that you can work within your office. The nice thing about Pool Pro Office is you can get up in the morning and overview your office without even going to the office. You can look at the current leads, the current receivables, you can create reports, you can view the company-wide job board to see the status of all projects, and you can also view the digital job folders. I'll go ahead and get started on the management. We can also create advertising campaigns and track advertising campaigns using Constant Contact. Since Pool Pro Office is a database program, we can export all database from Pool Pro Office into Constant Contact. By clicking on your Constant Contact, it will take you to your login page directly from Pool Pro Office to Constant Contact. Constant Contact will allow you to send out 5,000 emails a month, unlimited times, for less than $20 a month. So if you have any idea you'd like to look at Constant Contact, please go back to our website, sign up for Constant Contact, and you'll be available to sign up for a 60-day free trial. We can also track the leads coming in. By clicking on Leads Management, it'll bring you a page you can view all active leads that are coming into the office, who they were assigned to, when they came in, and what type of advertising campaign they came through. It also becomes a digital file cabinet for not only the company but for the pool designer. We can email this lead to the designer, and we can print the lead sheet out and put it in their box. As the designer reviews his leads, and you can also sort by the designer, he can access the leads database and review that lead. He can set and monitor and maintain his appointment calendars. He can insert the proposals, the 2D drawings, the 3D drawings, so it becomes a digital file cabinet for the designer and for the company. We can put notes in there, we can view 2D drawing, and we can also view digital drawings such as 3D, or you can insert another file. So it gives the capability for the designer to work within this file cabinet. It also has the ability to click location, and it will plot this location of this lead on Google Maps. So now they can print a map out and go visit that lead. Another area are permit forms. Part of the customization includes putting your building permits into the solution so you can print those out. In the designer page, they can print blank permit forms out to take to the customer to sign in case the customer signature is needed on the contracts. We can also not only view the contact information, all active leads, but we can view inactive leads, people that have called in that did not set appointments that you might want to email campaign those leads. We can view the sold ones and the lost ones. And we can also find the lead. For example, if a customer calls in and couldn't remember who their designer was, we could put in their name or address and find that lead. Then we could determine which designer worked with that customer. So your lead database is a gold mine waiting to be harvested. With Constant Contact, you can keep in contact, top-of-mind advertising to all your leads database and promote sales to get them back in the office to complete that sale. So it will increase your sales. Another advantage of Constant Contact is you can also email campaign your existing customers that you've built pools for with a newsletter, letting them know what's new in your office, helpful hints on how to maintain that pool, but most importantly, asking for that referral and how easy it is to log in on your website and register that referral without having to fill out paper or send something in the mail to you or call you. So use Constant Contact to benefit your sales. We can also create leads reports by clicking a start date and an end date, so we let the management choose what reports they want to print out. We can click Create Leads Report. We can sort by designer and origination, and it will print a leads report for that designer and what origination. So you can print multiple leads reports out depending on what you're looking for. We can also, in the morning, wake up and decide what do we have on the streets and receivables. We can look at receivables from draw receivables to change order receivables to service and warranty receivables. If I click on the draw, the current receivables based upon the contract and the draws. We can print this report out, or we can go back to home and view payment schedule draw receivables. And we can also view all service order receivables. So you can get an up-to-date picture of receivables you have on the streets without even going into the office, without calling the accountant and have her develop those reports, spending manpower and labor costs. We can also view service and warranty. Which ones were paid warranty calls, service, or warranty. I'll go ahead and create one for paid service, and that would create a report of all paid service orders. So you can sort that any way you like, from waiting, begun, stalled, complete, billed, or paid, and you can sort by either service or warranty. You can also view payment reports. You can create payment reports from any beginning date to any ending date. I'll go ahead and create a payment report. Let's go back to January 2007, and we'll go ahead and go to let's go ahead and go to June 1, 2007, and it will generate a total receivable report for that timeline. So you get to create your own adventure from starting date to end date. You can print out those payment reports also. We can also review all sales reports for any given month, year. We can review sales reports for the total year, or we can view builder reports. I'll go ahead and generate for the third month of 2006. And that'll give you a list of designers, the sales for the month of March, the total dollar amount, the percentage, and total sales for that month. So you can create sales reports for any given timeline that you prefer. We can also create production reports. Production reports are completed milestones in your project job board. And they could be any milestones you're interested in. This one has from signed contract, dig, shotcrete, plumb, tile, deck, screen, and MARSite. So it would give us an overview of how many completed milestones we completed for any given timeline. This is a big timeline, but you can create it for a week, a month. Typically, we do weekly production reports, and we generate for a week to determine how many milestones we completed that week. We can also create assigned reports. And these are milestones that have been assigned to a subcontractor or vendor, but yet are not complete. So you can complete a report that will give you all assigned projects out in the field. You could also use your construction supervisor's checklists as production reports too. If you wanted to view all checklists that have been completed, you could also create that. So in the customization, we can customize your application to whatever you like. Management